former ANC, was he an MK member under ANC? He says, ANC is dead, says party stalwart Carl Linnaeus. Hey, I don't know how to pronounce your name, sir. Forgive me. But yeah, there are arguments to be made about this statement. Tell me, what do you think about the statement? Do you think he's telling the truth when he said that the ANC is dead, considering the decision that the decisions that the ANC has been making? They are making drunk decisions, like the decisions that they are making now. Like, I think a lot of people will question their decisions and will be like, guys, but out of all the decisions that you could have made, these ones, like really these ones, these decisions you shouldn't even have thought twice about those decisions. You shouldn't even have thought about those decisions. But anyway, they thought about them anyway, and they decided to act on what it's called government of national unity, which the MK party term it. It says it's like putting a lipstick on a MK party. But it's like putting a lipstick on a pig. And so I'm sitting here, I'm thinking to myself, hey, you know what? We've got a problem here. We have a very, very serious problem here. What's your take? So I'm about to go through everything that Ukalinas has got to say here. There was an article that was released by Ombinkosi, multimedia journalist, IOL Politics, released on which date? Let me see. Released 3 hours ago, as of me reading the article. Right, speaking about the death of the ANC. But nevertheless, I'm about to go through the article. There's something as well that I know it's not death. It is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying? Will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, so let's go through the article and let's hear what the man has got to say. Soon to be soon to be EFF MP, Kalina says the ANC is dead, as he labeled the looming ANC and the ANC DA IFP Tombstone coalition. Yeah, they call it a Tombstone coalition. Right. Khalenya says when he resigned from the ANC in December 2022, he stated that the ANC was no longer a national movement but a sell-out organization. He says, I said it in I said it is a rotten corpse, yeah, but not the corpse of COPS, right? It's a rotten corpse, not corpse. CORPCE. PSE. That is dead, and the only thing that needs to be done is for it to be buried and a tombstone to be erected, he said. What are you saying about the sentiment that they are dying? Honestly speaking, guys, come to look at the decisions that they are making. Like, man, come on. They leave a lot to be desired. The decisions that they are making, hi guys. But he says he also emphasized that he did not believe that it was just a few top leaders like Ramaphosa and some of its comrades who were rotten. He says the whole ANC from top to the bottom was now dead. It was, and he says, a corrupt sellout organization no longer working for the advancement and the liberation of the people of South Africa. He says the realization that the whole ANC was rotten could no longer be called a national liberation movement. Kalinya says any action to try and save the ANC is a waste of time. That was the reason why he took a deliberate decision not to join the MK party, which still continued to talk about saving the ANC. Hence, he joined the EFF. He says the ANC is the ANC is a lost organization, and the only thing we can do is to work step by step to make sure that it's unplugged from power everywhere or anywhere. A new liberation approach, as set out by the EFF and articulated in our seven non-negotiable cardinal pillars, can indeed be implemented. So he says, since then, a lot has happened since then the ANC has progressively sold out. That look at that fact that the fact that the ANC now entered into a coalition with DA, which is a white right wing, economically neoliberal party that does not care for the majority of black and especially African people in the country shows that my assessment when I resigned from the ANC was absolutely correct. Now, a few things that he mentioned. I remember people were questioning the reason why when Zuma formed the MK party, why didn't he bring back Kalina? So it appears like it is clear that he wouldn't have joined because he believes that the ANC is just dying. Saving the ANC is just a waste of time. So why would Zuma then why would Zuma bring that person as well? But the other thing that is being mentioned here is that he mentioned the issue of selling out and the issue of the ANC selling out and deteriorating, not even deteriorating, like dying. It is as if it has been poisoned and it is drinking a slow poison. And he mentioned that to say, these people are dying. Look at all the decisions that they are making. How do you go to a coalition with ETA, a DA that represent the right, the left wing or the right wing, which is the white minority? And you see, you can't disagree with him here. Like honestly speaking, you can disagree with him in other points, but not on this one. Maybe if you do disagree with him, but take a look at this. Right, the DA shows it as a most arrogant political party that I've ever seen. Two, it believes that black people are better when they are supervised by EDA. Without EDA, there's no way things are gonna work. Three, they go in KZN and they've done whatever they've done to make sure that MK party doesn't govern KZN. But I can tell you this, they will regret that decision. You see that they have a plan, and the plan has got nothing to do with black people, because if they had the respect for black people in KZN, they would have respected the fact that the political party that governs there is that people trust is MK party, and therefore they would have they would have respected MK party, and they would have allowed MK party to be given the space to form its own coalition. Because it's a political party that hates certain people who doesn't represent itself, look at what they are doing in KZN. It shows that it does not represent the interest of the majority. Majority of people in KZN did not vote for DA, but DA wants to govern KZN as long as MK is out of the picture. And that's what they are doing. They've done that successfully. But I can tell you this, there is something that awaits them that they will regret. They will regret the day they made that decision. They will regret. And I can tell you this, come local elections as well, they will regret what they did now during this year. They will regret the decisions they've made this year. I'm telling you this. Come local elections 2 years from now, you will see.